This could be an emergency. All right, maybe you're just exercising, but it could be an emergency, and your life could be in danger. Life or death may hang in the next few moments, and so therefore we will direct all of our body's resources to those areas which can save our life at this moment. The preganglionic soma, which will send these messages, are located in the thoracic and lumbar sections of the spinal cord, so hence the sympathetic division, which directs the fight or flight response, is also known as the thoracolumbar division. Helping us out will be the adrenal gland, which lies over the kidneys. From the medulla, we can release the neurotransmitter epinephrine, but because it's released into the blood, this epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, is now functioning as a hormone so that it can reach all of the cells of the body. And so, this is what we will bring to bear when your life is in danger.
Life is not meant to be stressful. You should enjoy it. You should relax and smell the roses and enjoy the sunset. And so the parasympathetic division of the ANS directs the rest and repose response for all of those body processes which you should do at rest.
If this turns out badly, we may end up bleeding soon. Sometimes when you have to fight for your life, there is an injury and we're just going to have to accept that. And so we're going to release endorphins so that we're less sensitive to pain, perhaps even oblivious to pain. And we are going to secrete more clotting factors and thicken our blood so that if we start to bleed, that will clot more quickly. This will prepare us for the fight and the potential injuries which may lie ahead in this emergency.
When we are at rest, we are not as concerned about bleeding in the immediate future. So our blood does not have to be as thick with as many clotting factors.
The body has to be prepared in case we have to run very fast or fight very hard. And all of this muscle contraction will produce heat. So we should start to sweat when there's an emergency coming because we will need to cool down if our muscles begin to contract. So sweat glands should release more sweat during this time.
The parasympathetic division does not stimulate the sweat glands the way the sympathetic division does. We don't need to cool down when we are at rest.